How to set the PHP version per directory. You can have older PHP version installed and still use a latest PHP version in a directory or blog. Let's learn how to use different PHP versions for different directories. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Software section and click Multi-PHP Manager. First, check the box to select a domain you have, then click to open the drop-down list of PHP versions and select the appropriate PHP version you want to use in a directory. Click the Apply button. PHP 8 has been applied to the selected domain. Now go to the main page and open File Manager. Click on Public HTML. First, right-click the .htaccess file, then select the Edit option. Click the Edit button. Click here to use the legacy editor. Now copy the code generated by cPanel for PHP version. You will need to paste this code into the .htaccess file of the folder. Now go back to the FTP client area and open the directory for which you want to set the selected PHP version. In this case, we want to set PHP 8.1 for the directory forums. Here is a .htaccess file. If it is not, you have to create a .htaccess file. We teach how to create a .htaccess file in a separate tutorial. Now right-click the .htaccess file and select the Edit option. Click to use Legacy Editor. Now paste the copied code of the PHP version in this .htaccess file and click on the Save Changes button. That's it! We have successfully applied PHP version 8.1 for the selected directory. Now you know how to copy the code generated by cPanel for a particular PHP version from the .htaccess file of a domain and paste the code in the .htaccess file of a directory to set the PHP version for that directory. You can do it for different directories requiring different PHP versions just by following the previous steps. Thank you for watching.